All right, Alex, so we're gonna dyno your Caterham today. Tell us a little bit about the car.
Yeah, so it's started as a Brunton Stalker kit, which is built around an LS motor typically, or a Miata powertrain. I bought that kit to get the body work and the roll cage, kind of the basics, and then put in a BMW N52 straight six, which was their natural aspirated engine from 2006 to 11.
Anything else special with the powertrain?
Yeah, so the main reason for the car really was a place to put a Quaife sequential gearbox. So it's got a 6-speed, 60G sequential box. It was kind of the centerpiece.
And obviously you're making a little bit more power than the Miata engine that typically goes in these types of things. So what are you using for rear end?
The rear end's a CTSV, first gen, 373 MLSD.
Very, very cool. We're looking forward to getting this on the dyno and seeing what it makes.
Awesome.
Thanks, Alex.
Thanks.
I'm sorry, that's almost as good as the Lambo. Oh my goodness.